Today, you will learn how to remove table border in Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel.
When you insert a table in Word, it automatically comes with borders around every cell. These borders help organize information, but sometimes you may want to remove them. For example, when creating a clean document layout, a form, or a design where the table should not be visible. Let's see two easy ways to remove table borders in Word. First, open your Word document and click anywhere inside the table. When you click inside the table, new tabs will appear at the top of the screen, called Table Design and Layout. These tabs only appear when a table is selected. Make sure your table is selected. Now go to the Table Design tab. On the right side of the ribbon, look for the Borders option. Click the small arrow next to it. A menu will appear with different border options. To remove all the borders from the table, simply click No Border, and instantly all the table borders will disappear. Your table is still there, but the lines are no longer visible. If you want to see the table structure while editing, you can turn on View Grid Lines from the Layout tab. These grid lines help you see the cells, but they will not appear when printing the document. There's another way to remove the table border. Right-click anywhere inside the table. From the menu, click Table Properties. A new window will open. Make sure you're on the Table tab. Now click Borders and Shading at the bottom right. In the new window, look at the Settings section on the left side. Click None. Then click OK. After that, click OK again to close the Table Properties window. Now your table borders will be completely removed. If you don't want to remove all borders, you can remove only specific borders like the top, bottom, or inside lines using the Borders menu. You can also change the border color, thickness, or style if you want your table to look more professional instead of removing it completely. Tables are very useful in Word for organizing information like schedules, reports, forms, and lists. That's it. Very simple. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is learning Microsoft Word. See you in the next easy tutorial.